You look upset.
Oh, I am. I'm waiting for my goddamn husband. I'm gonna beat his ass. Have you seen him?
I don't even know what he looks like.
He's easy to recognize. He looks like a big, fat, cheating asshole.
Okay. Crystal clear. I'll let you know if I see him.
A woman, huh? I used to have a gorgeous woman, and money, and just... Look at me now.
Smells great.
My heart goes out to you, buddy. But I got my own problems. I'm looking for my girl.
Are you rich?
What does that have to do with anything?
I'm just saying. If you are and then you go poor, she's going to leave you.
You know what? I'll leave you to it.
Whoa, what the hell happened to this car?
Beats me. Just doing my job.
Looks pretty banged up. You sure you can fix it?
Be damn sure I can.
You seem like a skilled mechanic, but I'm not sure you can fix this one.
You want to bet?
Yeah, sure. Or you're gonna lose.
No way.
All right, then. You're on.
Excuse me, quick question.
Hang on. What's up? Kind of busy.
Hey, Leo. I think I see your kid down there. Let's check it out.
Hey, Linda! Over here!
Leo! Hey!
Cops.
Afternoon, ma'am. Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure. Goodbye.
We should be fine now.
All right.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good. Hey, Alex! Look who's here!
Alex! Hey, buddy.
Don't worry, Leo. He's just a little bit upset.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course.
Nah, never mind. I should probably leave them alone.
Work of an artist.
Hey, I could use your help. Can you get something for me?
You needed help with something?
This was a great day.
Yeah, I do. Grab me a wrench from the shed over there, please.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Hey, Alex.
Leave me alone.
Those were happier times. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
All right.
Want to start it up for me?
Yeah, I could do that.
Go ahead.
All right, I got this. Watch me. Fuck. Enough of this shit. Come on, buddy. Come on, just let me up. Alex. Hey. What's this? Hey, look, your sign is broken. Why don't you come down and help me fix it? No? All right. Don't worry, I'll fix it for you. Let's see.
Seems like a great kid.
I think I'm gonna need a hammer. Oh, this sign is beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it.
Oh, happy family.
I love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am. You wanna shoot some hoops?
That could be fun, but maybe we should get going.
Oh, come on, just one game?
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys. One game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
I'm gonna win.
Ah, you know I'll win.
Are you guys ready?
Oh, we're ready. Let's go.
Okay. Daddy, pass it to me.
Catch, buddy.
Vincent, pass the ball.
Here.
Vincent, pass the ball.
Did you see that? Heads up. You're good, Alex. Really good.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the
Hey,
best.
beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah, I know. I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah, me too.
Come on, let's talk.
So, this is home now?
Not for long. If the cops found us, then Harvey could too. We gotta get moving.
You know what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And you really think Harvey will leave us alone?
Here you go.
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is.
Here you go.
This is the life we chose, Leo. Let's just deal with it.
Yeah. I'm gonna set things right. I'm going after Harvey.
Heads
He's
up.
not gonna get away with this. Linda, any idea where Ray is?
Ray, what do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that, I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah.
No, don't just yeah me.
By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait. Here you go.
I love you.
I love you too.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Nice going, buddy. Look, I have to leave now.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can't we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug. All right, buddy. Go to your mom now.
Okay.
Sure this Ray guy will give us Harvey's location?
He better.
What if he doesn't?
You will. Trust me. This way.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
We're here to talk to someone. What's the problem?
What do you think this is, a coffee shop? This is a construction site. You can't just waltz in here.
Oh, yeah? And you're gonna stop me?
You'll have to excuse my colleague. He hasn't had his morning coffee yet. But he's right, though. We're here to check if this site is up to code.
Jesus Christ. Another inspection? What is it with you guys? You just keep coming and coming and coming.
That's how we keep you honest.
That's right.
There you go.
You better hope you're building to code, man.
Damn inspections. How many of these guys are they gonna send? God.
Nice job.
I wish I could say the same.
You would've, if I had done the talking.
Leo. Always cocky.
I can't help it. I've been like this since I was a kid.
Yeah, right. I bet you were just a sweet little boy.
No, I wasn't. What are you talking about?
Relax, tough guy.
Are you being sarcastic?
Me? Nah. I'm just keeping you honest.
Keeping me honest about what?
You being a nice little boy?
Hey!
Sorry, can I ask you a question?
Can't you see I'm busy here?
So what's your job here?
Do you know where your foreman is?
Yeah, of course I do.
So can you tell me?
Like I said, I'm busy here.
I'm looking for someone.
Oh, yeah? Me too. My damn doctor fixed my back.
I can't help you with that.
Well, then I can't help you.
I see you have a walkie-talkie.
That's right.
Could you reach your foreman with it?
Well, I expect I could. But since I haven't seen you around here before, who are you?
I'm none of your business. Could you please reach him?
Fine. Hello? 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 Oh, dang it, it's not working. Over?
You want to have a go?
Hey, I'm looking for your boss.
So am I. But this piece of shit don't work. God damn it.
You should do what I do when things don't work.
Yeah, what's that?
Hand it over.
Okay.
Here you go. Try it now.
Hello? Anybody?
Let's
Over?
no more of this.
Well, still not working.
Well, I'm an old guy, you know.
Come on, come on! Not enough!
Hey there.
You want to have a go?
Nice!
All right.
Let's see what you can do.
Take him down! Yes!
You're about to go
Nice.
down, my friend.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Yeah! He can't handle it! Yeah! He can't
Do
handle
better
it!
than that, Vincent.
I haven't been working out.
Not enough!
Excuse me. I'm looking for your foreman.
Sorry, I haven't seen him all day.
No?
Nope.
So when was the last time you saw him then?
Listen, I'm not lying. I haven't seen him. Sorry.
Okay.
Hey, you know who your boss is?
I don't know. I haven't seen him all day.
How about you up there? You know where he is?
Who the hell are you?
Don't mind him. He's just scared.
What is he scared of? Heights?
Yeah.
Why is it always me up here?
It's not always you.
Yes, it is!
I'll let you two lovebirds work this out on your own.
Yeah.
He can't handle it!
Come on, man.
What is this? What the hell am I looking at? Dipshit, can you explain this shit?
Well, yeah, it looks like you
Just spit it out. It's 2 here. I told you it should be 4.
Well, no,
No. What are you, some kind of stupid?
I think you misunderstand.
You're a fucking idiot.
Well, no.
Are you an idiot? Sir?
That's the
It's
guy.
a simple question.
No,
Yeah, I
sir,
see him.
I'm sure we decided on...
Fuck it, you're fired. Go home.
But, sir...
Oh, shit.
He's trying to get away. Take the stairs. Yeah. I'll go this way. Shitty elevator. Go faster.
Stop running, damn it!
Eat shit!
Oh, shit!
Hey!
Out of the way! Shit!
Hey, asshole!
Get out of the way!
me off! He's on your side! Sorry. I see him! You're mine, Ray! Shit! What's up?
Hey. Watch it, you fucking numbnuts!
Shit! Whoa, 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 shit!
Move! Get out of the way!
Leo, he cut me off! He's on your side! Sorry. I see him! You're mine, Ray!
Wait!
Shit!
Watch me go, asshole!
What's up?
Hey. Watch it, you fucking numbnuts!
Where'd he go? I'm gonna kill him.
Hey, relax. No need to use that now, okay?
Why the hell not?
Let's focus on finding him first.
Whatever. Let's go. You see him?
No. Let's look around. He's probably hiding in here somewhere.
You in here?
Hey! Oh,
It's occupied.
Sorry about that. There's another container here. Let's check it out.
Where you at, huh? He's not here. Keep looking.
Hey! He's over here! He locked it. Help me bust it open!
Eat shit, Leo! You goddamn piece of shit! I'm gonna kill you! Hey, Vincent! Vincent! I got an idea. Let's use that crane over there.
Yeah, okay.
Bring it over here! Let's go, let's go!
Do you see him?
No, I don't see him anywhere. I don't know where he went.
Keep looking. He's gotta be up there somewhere.
Hey, he's heading for a crane. Cut him off.
Yeah.
Ah, shit! Come on, Lee. Just keep moving. You're not afraid of heights.
Watch it, you fucking numbnuts!
There he is! Leo, help me!
Let me go!
I can't...
Ah, shit! Where do you think you're going? Get your hands off me! So, you gonna tell me where Harvey is?
Fuck you, I ain't telling you shit.
Fuck me, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this.
Whoa!
A gun. I wonder what you could do with this.
Maybe you could stick it up your ass.
You know what? Let's put it here for now. Hey, Vincent. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of different things here that could make this guy talk. What do you say?
Guys, come on.
I've got a few ideas.
Yeah, me too. Let's see if he'll talk or not. This should be interesting.
Again, where is he?
I told you. I don't know.
Hey, you don't want to go down this road.
Road? What road?
Trust me, you don't want to know.
Come on, man. Come on.
This should get him to talk.
A nail gun. Classic.
You want to use this arm again?
Do it. I don't give a fuck.
You sure about that?
That's nothing compared to what Harvey's gonna do to me. Go ahead. Do it.
Fuck.
You gonna talk or what?
I say shit.
Yeah? How about this?
Oh!
Huh?
Oh!
You like this?
Oh!
Should be some useful information in here.
Nice. A torch.
Nice wallet. Cute kids.
Leave my family out of this.
That's entirely up to you.
Don't you fucking touch them. They have nothing to do with this.
Then start talking.
I'm gonna burn your face off if you don't start talking.
Fuck you.
Fuck me, huh? How about the dick?
Whoa, whoa, no, no, not the dick. Ah, hot, 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 hot. Oh, please, please, my dick.
Now we're talking.
All right, guys. All right. All right, you win. I'll tell you what you want.
Yeah? Start talking then.
All right. Calm down, man. Calm down. Somewhere in Mexico. I don't know where exactly, but he's in Mexico. He's got a big mansion there. It's the truth. I swear.
So that's where the rat is hiding, huh?
Yeah, that's where he is. Don't tell him I told you.
You don't tell me what to do.
All right. Calm down, man.
See you later.
Hey!
Let's go.
Guys!
Yeah.
Where you going? Don't leave me here. You're crazy. Untie me. Guys, come back.
Guess we're heading down to Mexico then.
Yeah. We're gonna need bigger guns than this.
That's probably a good idea. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Wait. Step aside. There you go.
Yeah.
I got a contact that might fly us down to Mexico.
That's good. And I got...
We can't risk robbing a bank now.
There are way easier places to rob than banks.
Like what? Gas station? You think they'll have enough money?
They better have. I'm not going after Harvey with just a handgun.
Yeah, well, guess there's only one way to find out.
Okay then. You ready?
Yeah. Why don't you give me the gun?
What do you mean?
Look, we need to keep a low profile. That's not really your thing.
I say we do this the fast way, man. Just in and out.
I say we do this the easy way. Let's not make a scene. Just make sure nobody gets hurt.
Nobody fucking move!
I'm just gonna go.
Stay
You know what?
calm.
I'm getting out of here.
Hey, look,
just
see
go.
this? It looks like a gun, but it isn't. It's the key to the register. So fucking open it.
You're wasting your time. There's barely any cash in the register.
Open it!
Told ya.
Shit! We're here somewhere. We should check it out. I got him! Let me go! Vincent! Let him go! Over here, man! You fucking piece of shit!
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's go.
Think you can come in here?
Vincent, the clerk.
We need a combination.
Check it out.
This is what I need.
Give me the fucking gun!
We need the combination.
I don't have it.
I don't want to hurt you, but I will. Just give me the combination.
Okay, relax. 137.
137. I got the cash. Let's get to the car.
Whoa. What's going on? Calm down, son. Calm down.
There's a robbery going on. 2 people robbing the place over there.
At the gas station?
Yes, yes.
Are they armed?
Yes, okay. Gotta do
Okay,
something.
son, you stay here. This is Officer...
Go! Step on it!
God damn it. Dispatch, out of 1050 in pursuit. This is Johnson. I responded to a 211. Clerk fled the scene.
Yeah, no problem. Just make sure to bring the goods, okay? Yeah, I know where that is. Got it. All right, see you there.
So?
We got the guns.
You trust this person?
I do. Stop worrying, Vincent. It's not good for your heart.
My heart is just fine. I just want to know what we're dealing with.
Relax, Mr. Paranoid. I trust her, okay? Besides, she owes me one. Now let's go get those guns.
If you say so.
You need to relax more, all right?
Yeah.
Jasmine?
Leo?
You good?
I'm good. Who's this guy?
Don't worry, he's with me.
Oh, he's with you.
Yeah.
I'm Vincent.
Oh, hello, Vincent. How nice to meet you. You're a fucking idiot.
What?
Why don't you bring your whole family next time? I'm out.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What the fuck is wrong with you? You think I'm vending ice cream here? Listen, I told you I don't do business with strangers. And this guy, he looks like a stranger to me.
Do you have a problem with me?
Yeah, I got a problem with you. You have a problem with me? Who the fuck is this guy?
Whoa, 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 relax. Put the gun down. Jasmine, put the gun down. Come on. I told you, he's with me. Let's just do this, fast and easy. Besides, you owe me one, remember?
Okay, but it's the last time. And then we're even.
Here. This should be more than enough.
Hurry up.
M16, burst fire assault rifle. The boys in Naum use these.
This feels light. I gotta try this. Perfect. Let's see what these guns can do.
Lots of empty houses here. Let's shoot at them.
You ready to go?
Give me a minute. I want to make sure I have the right weapon.
Hey, it's me. I got some information about Leo.
Okay, you know where he is?
I just met him.
Give me his location.
Sure, but it's gonna cost you.
Don't worry about that. Just tell me where he is. Got it. Good job. Talk to you later. Harvey! Harvey!
What's up?
I found him.
Good. Make sure we put our best guy on this. I want him dead. You got it?
Yes, boss.
Already. I'm pregnant. And I think I'm going into labor. And I'm all alone. Please send an ambulance.
Hey, can you stop by that phone booth over there?
Are you sure you can get us a plane?
I sure hope so.
Yeah, me too, man. I don't want to walk to Mexico. Well, there's your phone.
Yep.
I'll look around. Make sure to get us that plane.
I still don't have any change for the call. I saw a newsstand on the other side of the square. Maybe I could get some change there.
Hey, what do you charge for a pack of smokes here?
Same as everywhere else. It's 36 cents.
36
Are you okay?
for a lousy pack of smokes?
The war, man.
Yeah.
Fucked me up.
Price has been 36
Really
cents for the
fucked
past
me
2
up.
years. Where have you
War
been?
can do that.
Been around.
Sure can.
Just haven't been buying any cigarettes.
You surf?
that's all.
No, I
Are you
haven't.
gonna buy something? or
What the hell do you know about it?
I'm good.
Nothing. Look, I need some change. How about a dime for $1?
Whatever, man.
But I saw you flirting with her.
Oh, I did it.
Thank you.
Bad move, man.
Did you fucking mind?
Just
What
leave me
off?
alone.
Yeah, I do mind. Just like your girlfriend here did when you were flirting with another girl.
At least someone understands me.
Okay, okay. Look, I'm sorry.
I'm not the one you should apologize to.
Fine, all right, I'm sorry.
Say it like you mean it.
I'm really, really sorry.
I don't believe you.
Fuck.
Hey, it's Vincent. Yeah, I'm fine, thanks. Look, I need to fly somewhere.
Jesus, man.
Tomorrow.
You're a mess.
Can you make that
What
work?
do you want, man? Just
Okay,
leave me
great.
alone.
But seriously, you look
What?
like shit. Anything I can do for you?
Hey, man, are you
When?
deaf or something? Just leave me the fuck alone so I can...
Where's she?
I can do that.
Okay. Okay. Thanks.
Hey, did you get us a plane?
Yeah, I did. But I need to go.
What? What are you talking about? You okay?
I'm fine, but I need to be somewhere else right now.
Hey, you can't just walk away?
I'm not walking away. But something happened and I need to be there, all right?
Vincent, we've come too far to back down now. You need to talk to me. Tell me what's going on in your head. Talk to me!
I can't talk about it. Okay, fine. It's my wife. She's...
Oh, shit!
We gotta get out of here!
Shit! The guns are in the car!
There's no time for that. We have to go. Come on.
Yeah.
Quick, come here. Leo, hold on. I'll help you barricade the door.
This should buy us some time. We gotta get out of here.
I know. Up there, the vent.
I see it. Vincent, get up there and I'll push this across.
Get over here. I'll help you up. We can control the next one from here. Get behind it. Let him go, you son of a bitch!
Look, I don't know what's going on with you, but we need to finish what we started. Harvey's gonna keep sending guys like this.
Yeah, I know.
Do you? Then why the hell did you want to leave all of a sudden?
It's my wife. She's in the hospital.
What's the problem?
We just had a baby.
That's great news. Congrats, man.
Sure, it's great. Thanks.
You don't seem too happy about it.
Trust me, I'm happy. It's really complicated between me and my wife.
Look, complicated or not, you gotta go see your kid. Whatever's going on between you two, it's still your kid.
I know. You're right.
Of course I am. You know I am.
Yeah.
Look, you got us that plane, didn't you?
I did.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the hospital, you're gonna see your kid, and then we go get that plane. You with me?
Yeah. I'm with you.
Vincent, I need to trust you on this one.
You can trust me.
All right, then. Let's go. You know, I could tell it was your first kid.
You could?
Yeah. Back at the hospital, the way you were holding your baby and shit. I mean, sorry about the shit part. I didn't mean it in a bad way, you know, but yeah. Anyway, it's a great thing watching your kid grow up.
Yeah, I can imagine it is.
What's wrong, man? What's the problem with you and your wife?
Look. Carol is the love of my life. We've always wanted to have a child. We tried for years. Every time we failed, was like a part of us died. And when it finally happened, that day when we found out, we've never been so happy. Then, everything went to hell. And I ended up in prison.
Damn.
Yeah.
Vincent, ask the receptionist. She should know. Hey, Vincent, I found him at...
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
I need to see my wife, please.
Okay. Do you know which ward she's in?
She just had a baby.
Oh, congrats. Take the elevator right there to the top floor. Then just follow the signs.
All right. Hey, Leo, get over here.
Wait. You guys seem familiar. Have I seen you before?
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay. Whatever. But your faces are so familiar. I'm sure I've seen you somewhere.
It's probably me.
It is?
Yeah, I'm here a lot. I got this disease. The doctors can't figure out what it is, but
yes.
You don't have to worry about it. They don't think it's contagious. It's fine.
All right. Well, this is my floor, so
all right,
feel
take
better.
It easy.
Nice.
I know.
So, you excited to see your baby?
I'm more nervous.
Understandable. I was nervous too, but don't worry. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
All right, this is fun.
How hard can this be?
Yeah, I'm really good at...
Yeah. You sure that I... Shit.
My
All right.
back.
Maybe not.
Whoa! My back.
Shit. All right. Maybe not.
Whoa! My back.
Shit. All right. Maybe not. Excuse me, ma'am. My wife just had a baby.
What's the name, please?
Carol. Already?
Right, just follow me, sir.
Thank you. Hey, Leo. You coming? Hey, Leo. Thanks. Hey, Carol. You okay?
I'm fine. Vincent, what are you doing here?
She's my daughter, too. This is, Leo.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am. Yeah. Baby girl, huh? I'll leave you guys alone. I'll be waiting outside. Yeah. And, congrats, by the way.
Can I hold her?
Okay.
Perfect. What the? Come on, you piece of shit! Work! Work!
She's so beautiful.
She is.
You know, I miss you.
Vincent, please.
I love you so much. I just have to finish this. You have to trust me. Carol.
What do you want me to say?
I just want you to trust me, okay? Things will be different.
You keep saying that, but you're gonna get yourself killed. I can't live with that.
I'm not gonna let that happen. I promise. You have to trust me, Carol.
Vincent, we need to get the hell out!
There he is!
The cops are here!
No shooting, we're in the hospital.
Okay, let's go.
Carol.
Just go. Go.
Shit.
There he is! He's running for it! Get him! Hey! Freeze! Don't move!
He's over there! Stop! You're under arrest!
Stop! Hey, yo!
There he is!
He's running for it!
Freeze!
Oh, shit!
Give up! Hey!
Shoot! Get out of the way!
Watch it! Freeze! Surrender! Stop right there!
Shit!
Hey! Is anybody in here? Better show yourself.
Murray, you got anything?
No, it's all clear.
Come on,
Hey, yo,
open,
hey,
goddammit!
You under arrest.
Open!
Hey!
Watch it!
He's over there!
Stop him!
Hey, you can't be doing this! Someone call security!
Freeze! I need to get up in that vent.
Are you shitting me? All right, come on, let's go.
You wanna fight? Let's fight!
He's over there!
Don't let him get away!
I'll beat every single one of you. Come on. How'd that feel, huh?
Damn. I need to find a way out of here.
Check the windows.
I don't know. I don't think he's that stupid.
You never know with these things.
Freeze!
God damn.
Don't move a muscle.
Check the windows.
I don't know. I don't think he's that stupid.
You never know with these fugitives.
I'm not so sure.
Hey, you think it came through the ventilation?
Yeah, looks like it. So, where'd he go?
I guess he jumped down and ran out.
Yeah, he must have been fast.
Only explanation, right?
Well, he's not hiding in here.
Looks like quite a drop from that vent.
You think he might be hurt?
Maybe.
You're coming with me.
Put the gun down now! Don't hurt it!
I said back away, goddammit!
You can't win this!
Don't do anything stupid.
Shut up! Just get over here. Fuck! Piece of shit door! Open!
Oh, crap. Damn. Think, Vincent, think. Ah, people. I'll try to blend in.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, officer.
We have 2 fugitives at large in the hospital right now.
I know. My colleague just called me. I think it's these 2 guys in the paper.
Yes. You seen them at all?
No. Are they dangerous in any way?
If you see them, you make sure you stay safe. Stay away and call for any of us, okay?
Will do. Let me know if there's anything else I can do to help.
Sure. We'll be patrolling this wing for now, so we'll be close by. If you see or hear anything suspicious at all, you let us know, okay?
Of course, officer. Thank you.
Stay safe, ma'am.
There's nowhere to run! Freeze!
To hell with it. I'll jump out of the window.
Are you shitting me? Come on!
Just give up!
Open!
Freeze!
Fuck!
Surrender! Freeze!
Shit! Stop! You under arrest. Come on, let's go!
Damn. I need to help him. The car. There he is.
Get him!
Get in!
Someone grab him!
You sure it's a good pilot, right?
Yeah, kind of sure.
Come on, man. You know I'm not a fan of heights.
Don't worry. Emily's a great pilot. She was practically born on a plane.
Long time no see, Vincent. How you doing?
Good.
Hey, Leo. Nice to meet you.
You too. So, you're a friend, I guess?
Yeah.
I hear you're a good pilot.
Well, I don't know about that, but thanks.
Okay.
Emily, does this thing fly?
What, does it look like a fucking bike? Of course it flies. Where are we going?
Mexico.
Mexico? You gotta be kidding me. That's way too far. I'm not flying to Mexico.
Emily, you know I always pay you good.
If you want to go to Mexico, you're gonna have to pay me way more than good.
We'll pay you double. Just take us there.
Double, huh? You good for that, Vince?
Yeah. Where are you going?
Where do you think? Mexico.
Come on, Harvey. Come on, you gotta believe me. I'm telling you the truth. I would never say anything. I would never do that. You know that, and I didn't say anything. They tried to get me to say something, but I didn't. Because that's not what I do. You know that. You know you've got to trust me, Harvey. I promise. Please. Please.
Let him go.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, God. You're doing the right thing, Harvey. You're good, Harvey. You're a good man. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will never forget you.
What are you thinking?
We need more men. He's coming.
Got it. Oye, Juan. Dime, jefe. Necesitamos más hombres.
Ya, dale. ¿Cuántos?
Todos.
¿Todos?
¿Pero qué pasa? No preguntes tanto, hazlo nomás.
Whoa! Oh, wait! What? No! No, no!
Hey, here you go.
Hey, Vincent, who is this Emily, really?
Don't even ask. You ready?
Yeah, I just need to fill her up. Help me out.
Sure.
The gas tank's right over there.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is this a good landing spot?
Let me see. Yeah, but it's gonna be a long walk through a dense jungle.
That's fine.
You could also parachute down here. That would get you way closer.
No thanks. I'm not good with heights.
Whatever you want.
Wait, Emily. Do you have parachutes here?
I do.
Hell no, Vincent. Are you crazy?
Do you know how much time that would save us?
I don't care. I haven't even seen a parachute before.
It's not that hard. You just pull a cord. Right, Emily?
Well, technically, you're right.
Come on. What do you say?
Oh, shit. All right. I mean, how hard can it be, right?
Don't worry. You'll figure it out. On your way down.
Hey, that's not even funny.
Relax. I'll show you the basics before we jump.
Yeah, you better.
Are you being cocky now?
What? No, whatever. Just show me the basics. I got this.
Good. Emily, I'll handle the fuel.
All right.
Sorry, that's just, it's coming with us.
Just get it on the plane, okay?
Got it.
Guys, can you please find my logbook?
Here it is. I'll just give it to Emily.
Leo, look what I found. Let's play.
Hey guys, I need my logbook.
Well, I never saw this one coming. My own picture in the paper. Kinda like it.
Guys, can you please find my logbook?
Here you go.
Come on, guys. Get in the plane.
Come on, Vincent, get in. You nervous?
No. You?
A little bit. Just enough to keep me focused, you know?
That's good.
Yeah. You know, I've been thinking about your situation with your wife. I might have a solution for you.
Okay.
You should write her a letter.
What?
Look, I don't mean to interfere, but I had a similar situation with Linda, so I decided to write her a letter. And it worked. I laid it all out, and she gave me a second chance. You know? I'm just saying that writing a letter really helped. You know? I mean, of course, it's up to you. I mean, I'm just saying that it worked for me, but it doesn't have to, you know. Anyways, look, I'm just saying it was a good thing. That's all. You feel me?
Yeah, well, I'm not really the writing type.
Yeah. I mean, it was just an idea. It's just... Anyway, congrats on the baby. I'm really happy for you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We're approaching the drop point. You guys ready to jump?
Yeah. Okay, remember, spread your arms and legs to fall slower and maneuver yourself. And don't forget to pull the chute in time.
Which one do I pull? This one?
Yeah, that one. Like this.
I'm gonna regret this. All right, 1, 2.
Come on, go!
What the hell? Oh shit! Wait, I can do this. I'm okay. I'm okay. Vincent! When do I pull the cord? Fuck this! Oh shit!
Hang in there, Leo! I'm coming!
My parachute! Help! Vincent! Motherfucker! I'm dying! Vincent, for fuck's sake!
Grab onto it!
Help me! Help me! Help me!
Relax, Leo. I'm trying to help you here.
How come you're so afraid of heights?
Are you shitting me? Are you seriously gonna ask me that now?
Why not? Timing's perfect. Just face your fears, Leo.
You're crazy.
So you're gonna tell me, or should I just let you go?
That's not funny, okay?
I think it is. So?
What?
Are you gonna tell me or not?
Okay. I fell down when I was young. Happy?
I wanna know more. Fell down from what?
Come on, man.
Fell down from what?
I fell down from a fucking tree and broke my arm. Stop asking questions.
That's it? You broke your arm?
What do you mean, that's it? I was 8 years old.
Did you cry?
Okay, I've had enough. I'm letting go if you keep asking those stupid questions.
Be my guest. Just keep in mind that you'll break a lot more than an arm.
I hate you, man.
No, you don't.
You got me?
Yeah, I got you, Leo.
Don't fucking drop me.
Just hold on to me, okay?
I'm in it. Don't drop me.
I won't.
That was the last time I listened to your fucking ideas.
Take it easy. You're still alive, aren't you?
I'm just saying, I almost died.
No, you didn't. Let's get going.
Oh, shit.